Let's translate the final exercises for chapter 3. Mon chat aime ma souris. So we would translate that as my cat loves my mouse. Now cat is masculine, so we're using mon, and my mouse is feminine, so we use ma. My cat loves my mouse. Now we have son chat et sa souris sont des animaux. So we've got his cat or her cat and his mouse or her mouse, sont, that's are, the plural of être, des animaux, so that's the plural of the indefinite article. So we would translate that his cat and his mouse are animals, or her cat and her mouse are animals. Or we could maybe even translate this as his cat and his mouse are some animals. That would be fairly rare that you'd want to do something like that. Now, we wouldn't translate it as his cat and her mouse, because we wouldn't know how to figure his and her out from this type of sentence. So we'll see later if we wanted to say something like his cat and her cat or her mouse, how we'll do that. But right now, it should be his cat and his mouse, or her cat and her mouse in the translation. Ces chats sont gentils. That would be ces chats would be his cats or her cats are nice. His cats are nice, her cats are nice. We don't know without the context if the say is masculine, is referring to a male or a female. Now this next one, we have ces chats ont beaucoup de souris. So here we have ces chats with an S, and we've got ces chats with a C, which means it's going to be these cats. These cats, ont is the plural of avoir, third person. These cats have beaucoup de souris, lots of mice. I guess they've been successful hunters, or they've got lots of friends who are mice. Now here we have nos souris ne sont pas gentils. So nos souris, that's the our, that's plural. Mice is feminine, but no can be either masculine or feminine. Ne sont pas are not nice. Our mice are not nice.